This is the final video in the series of creating self-correcting activities using Google Sheets. In the previous videos, we covered using conditional formatting to correct assignments where the cells change colors when correct or incorrect. We also covered finding and inserting images into Google Sheets to use as an image reveal puzzle instead of conditional formatting. Today, we'll cover the last step, using formulas. I'm Ashley, a technology integrationist with the Southwest West Central Cooperative. In the last video, we inserted the split image into many pieces into our spreadsheet so that we can use them for the image reveal formulas. Formulas are crucial at this point for the image reveal. It's okay if you aren't super comfortable with formulas. I'll give you the recipe to follow. So get a sticky note and a pen and let's get started. The first step is to find where you hid your image previously. I want you to take note of the columns and rows the pictures are in. Write these in your sticky note so that you remember. You need this information for the formula. In my sheet, my first image is in column T and row 270. My images are small so that students cannot easily see them. Remember, I want them hidden. Now go back to the main area where you want your image to be revealed to the students. Set the array to match that of the split image you have hidden. Mine is 4 by 6 since my worksheet is 4 problems wide and 6 problems long. You may have to merge cells so that you don't mess up any other formatting. As you can see, I pre-did mine to save time on this video. Also, to help viewers understand the formula, I made note of the columns and rows my images correspond with next to the array. I also want to make the cell color stand out for aesthetic purposes. Once the picture appears, the color will disappear. Now we'll make the magic happen. We don't want the images to show up in order, so pick a random puzzle piece where you want the image to appear. When entering the formula, we want to work in the area where the puzzle pieces will appear and not where the students enter their answers. Here is the formula we will enter. Equals if C11 equals 1610.4, puzzle V273, quotation will quotation. C11 is the cell where the formula is looking for the answer, and then you enter the correct answer. The last half of the formula is telling the spreadsheet to look on the puzzle workbook page and in which specific cell. Lastly, the 2 quotation marks are there because you are telling it if the student enters the wrong answer in cell C11, then leave the picture cell blank. One thing to note, if you enter the formula but nothing shows up, you may need to change your formatting. It happened to me. To do that, click on the cell, choose Format, Number, and Plain Text. Then, copy this formula to use in all the other picture reveal cells. You'll need to change a few things, but the format will remain the same. Continue the process until you have put formulas in all the cells. Feel free to play around with fonts and background cell colors to make the sheet more aesthetically pleasing for the And here's the finalized image reveal Google Sheets workbook. Get creative and have some fun making those workbook pages for your students.